a garden full of cheer. Colors dance and flowers cheer. Yellow sun and blue, blue sky. Red, red apples catch my eye. Green, green grass is soft and sweet. Purple plums are fun to eat. Orange carrots in a row. Grow, grow, grow and watch them go. Pink, pink petals on the rose. Rainbow arches when it blows. Teddy bears and friendly frogs jumping over leafy lawns. Butterflies in colors bright, fluttering in the morning light. Bouncing balls and kites that soar. Magic's there and so much more. Puppy dogs and kittens play, chasing butterflies all day. Spinning tops and marbles roll, bringing joy to every soul. Shiny stars and moon's soft glow light up dreams where moonbeams flow. Cuddly blankets, bedtime tales, sailing ships with colorful sails. Wooden toys and painted blocks, trains that chug and tick-tock clocks. Storybooks with heroes bold, adventures new and wonders told. Splashing in the puddles wide, rainbow boots and coats to slide. Dancing in the summer rain, smiling hearts and no more pain. Little hands and tiny feet, skipping to a happy beat. Friendship, laughter, love and play, in the garden every day. Sing and laugh and run around, magic is where joy is found. Colors, shapes and happy days, in the garden where we play. Grab your crayons, let's start to play. Drawing and painting in a colorful way. Red, blue, yellow, green, and more. Let's create art, there's so much in store. Draw and paint, let's have some fun. Colors and shapes for everyone. With our brushes and our pens, we're making art with all our friends. Circle, square, and a triangle too. Drawing shapes is fun to do. Rainbow colors, bright and true. Paint the sky in every hue. Draw and paint, let's have some fun. Colors and shapes for everyone. With our brushes and our pens, we're making art with all our friends. Circle, square, and a triangle too. Drawing shapes is fun to do. Rainbow colors, bright and true. Paint the sky in every hue. Draw and paint, let's have some fun. Colors and shapes for everyone. With our brushes and our pens, we're making art with all our friends. Mix the colors, watch them blend, creating magic with every friend. Splash the paint and make a mess. Art is fun, just like a treasure chest. Stars and hearts and flowers so bright. Let's use our colors, make the world right. Purple, orange, pink, and brown. We can paint a rainbow all around. Draw and paint, let's have some fun. Have some fun. Colors and shapes for everyone. Everyone. With our brushes and our pens, we're making art with all our friends. Draw and paint, we're on our way. Creating beauty every day. Colors and shapes, so much to see. Ooh, art is fun for you and me. Ooh, this explore their creativity with colors and shapes while having a great time.